How to active two-step authentication on Facebook. So if you want to active your two-step authentication, then all you have to do is open up your Facebook app, and then on the upper right corner you will have your three barred icon. Tap on that, and here go to settings and privacy, and after that tap on settings, and here you will have a bunch of options. So first option is for account. So under account section you will have password and security. Tap on password and security, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here you will have two-factor authentication, and then tap on that, and here you will have option through which you can select a security method. You can select authentication app, or you can select a text message or security key. So after selecting a security method, you can tap on continue, and then here it will ask you for your mobile number. So enter your mobile number, and after that it will ask you to enter your password. So after entering your password, you can tap on continue, and after that it will send you a verification code to your mobile number which you have just entered. And after that you can enter that verification code here, and now your two-factor authentication is on. So that's it guys, that's how you do it, and you can tap on done, and now you have turned on the two-factor authentication. If you want to turn off, then you will have turn off option, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.